Hello friends, and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. If you're new here, I am Kimmy and I'm in my apron today ready to bring you some cleaning motivation. Hello friends, and welcome back to She's in Her Apron. Alright friends, it is almost dinner time. It is 4:54 and I thought I would bring you some cleaning motivation. We're having family dinner tonight with all of Derek's family, and so right now Derek's preparing the green beans. We're going to saute them up, and of course I'll share that with you. But I thought I would take you and share with you what we're having for dinner and some cleaning motivation before I go to bed tonight. But I just want to get things done. I just want to clean. I've had a busy weekend, so I'm in the mood for after dinner just to hunker down and get things picked up, tidied, cleaned, and ready to start my week. I did start by making my bed after church. So right after church, I hurried back, got the bed made. It just feels good. It doesn't matter what time of day you make your bed. Make your bed. You will feel so good. Even if you make it before you get in it, it just feels better crawling into bed. Did you check out Sunday's video? I had a big announcement on there. So my friend Heidi, she has a shop called HM, Handmade by Heidi Malloy. I have shared her shop so many times with you guys, and a lot of you have purchased some lotions and bubble bath and milk bath and foot cream and all of the yummy things she creates from her shop. And thank you so much for supporting her and falling in love with the products, because they're amazing. So we partnered up and announced my She's in Her Apron summer favorite box. So I have a big box, and online it's called the Mega Box. The value of this box is $58, and Heidi is giving that to you for $49. So we also made a mini box for you guys, the smaller box, and that is $20. So all the smells in this box are things that just bring me back to summer. It's so good. The products in each box are amazing, and I go through both boxes in Sunday's video. I'll have it linked below, and the eye in the sky. Yeah, if you haven't seen that video, go check it out. I'm really excited about it, and it looks like, from what I am seeing by the numbers, you are too. So thank you. Thank you for supporting Heidi and her business. It means a lot. All right, let's jump into getting some things done. So we have a little time before family members get here for dinner. Derek, like I said, is working on the green beans. So I'm gonna start in my closet. I have some clothes here on our big chair that need to be hung up and put away. A lot of it is Derek's too. So you know what? Usually I'm like, here, can you put your own stuff away? But I'm gonna help him put some of, or at least hang up some of his shirts. A lot of his stuff, I'm not too sure where it all goes on his side of the closet, but I'm gonna do my best and see what I can do. But we're gonna get all this stuff on this chair into the closet, hung up and put away. So we'll start there. So I like to collect all the empty hangers and put them on this clothing rack here. And then I'll grab a chunk and bring them into the laundry room to hang up some of our shirts that we get out of the dryer wet, and get them hung up in the laundry room, and then come and hang up the clothes in the closet. But I just collected some from the laundry room and from hanging up, so now I am ready to hang up all the clothes. This 3-bin hamper I actually found on Amazon. I'll leave a link for you guys. Each basket you can take out, it's portable, and just take to the laundry room with you if you want. So sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I'll grab like an empty basket and just dump the clothes in, but sometimes I do that, and it's very convenient. I am gonna hang up some clothes and fold some clothes and put them in our baskets here. I do have a video when we first moved in here on how we did this closet. I just did it super cheap and simple with these bins, these crates that I got at Walmart at back to school time. So it does the trick, and it's been a great system since. So each basket has a certain theme to it. Like that one there is swimsuits and coveralls. This one's my muumuus and scarves. This one is jammies and like t-shirts that are not like t-shirts, sweats, things like that. This one is capris, some skirts that don't need to be hung, hoodies, workout clothes, which hardly ever moves, some personable things here, and then I have underwears there, or as my friends Becky say, underwears, and then socks. So, and it's been working out really good, and these bins are my shoes, so can't complain. It's working out really good. All right, I'm gonna start hanging up some clothes. He boiled the frozen, no, they weren't frozen. He boiled the green beans for a little bit. Like par cooked them. Now it's in a pan with some oil. And he's gonna saute this up with salt, pepper, garlic, and some red pepper flakes. Anything else you're gonna do?
I'm doing the Creole seasoning this time.
Ooh, Creole seasoning, nice. Yummy. Now that we're done with dinner, the kids are going to come down, pick up their zones, pick up around the house their stuff, their shoes, their coats, you know, things that are laying around. So they're going to take care of that. Yeah, there's a lot to pick up. During the weekend, the house goes a little bananas, so we got some picking up to do. And I am going to work on these sheets. So I'm folding sheets, pillowcases, fitted sheets, and a few blankets. I am horrible at folding a fitted sheet, but I think tonight I am doing way better than I usually do. Now a lot of these sheets are wrinkly, but I didn't get to them in time once they got out of the dryer, but who really cares? Throw them on your bed. No one's gonna inspect your bed. You know what I'm saying? It's all good. Now just moving everything into the linen closet. Okay, off to the laundry room to grab the big basket of towels that were done today. And I'm gonna fold these up. I really enjoy folding towels. I think it's my favorite chore. It's so easy, it's so relaxing. Out of all the laundry, give me towels and blankets any day. Okay, I'm gonna wrap my bananas in these yellow bags that I got at the store. They work really well. I'm not sure which store I got them at, but man, they really make my bananas stay yellow for a long time. Okay, time to pick up the dining room table. This is where we do homeschool. We'll do homeschool starting at the dining room table. We'll go to the couch. We'll go outside. We'll be on the lawn. Sometimes we'll hang out in my bedroom, sit on my bed and do it. We just travel a lot with homeschool, but this is the main hub, the dining room. So we did, of course, homeschool on Friday, but we did some makeup time yesterday, Saturday, so we were getting some things done. I have to say, I'm really enjoying this time with Shaylee. She is just blossoming with homeschool, and I'm so proud of her. I'm really enjoying it. So we start our homeschooling day anywhere between 8, 8:30, and 9 in the morning. Just depends on when I get up, right? And then we hit the ground running with homeschool. She takes lots of breaks. We are usually done by 1:32. And that's when I start on She's in Her Apron. I'll start editing. I'll start filming. I really appreciate my niece who comes over on Wednesdays and helps with homeschool. And that way I have the full day to get work done. That caddy is from Michael's, and it has been the best thing for all her subjects to hold all her workbooks in. I am loving that, and it's on wheels so I can push it around wherever I need it. Oh, I am loving it. Alright friends, if you're new to my channel, this windowsill right here depicts my life. This is ADHD right here. I have piles of projects, cookbooks that I'm going through, projects for videos that I'm working on, and then I have piles of homeschool curriculum, some piles that I am returning, some is new curriculum for next year. So that you could see my brain in piles. So now I'm just trying to sort through everything and move everything onto one ledge instead of all three. And then I'll start putting it away, but I'm just doing a quick tidy and sorting this all out. Well, friends, it is late. It is midnight. So I started this tidying up journey at 5 p.m. Started putting clothes away. Then it was time for dinner. And then after dinner, I started picking up as the kids were getting ready for bed. They were gathering their things. But you saw me do all that. So after the towels and doing the sheets, I was upstairs visiting with the in-laws with Derek, and we got to talking and going over all the sales that were happening with Heidi with her H&M store that you guys were doing purchasing, and you guys have blown us out of the water. You have blown Heidi out of the water. Holy crap, the numbers are phenomenal. Thank you so much for your love and support. But we're creating a plan on how we can get everything done for her. So you seriously blew our minds. You blew Heidi's mind, and it's exciting. So all right, I am done for the night. I was able to clear my mind on some areas with laundry, clothes, everything piled up on the windowsill. So I'm in a good spot. I feel good about today and what I did accomplish. It was Sunday, so we had church in the morning and everything. It was a good afternoon with family. Still having a relaxing last day of the weekend, but getting some things done. So all right, I'm gonna hit the ground running tomorrow, and I'm gonna be taking you guys along with me. Well, guys, I hope this motivated you to get up, set a timer, tidy up something, because it definitely feels good when you're done. So all right, friends, thank you so much for joining me, and we'll see you soon. Bye.